To make restaurant-style chow mein, bring a pot of water and a quarter teaspoon, 1.4 grams of salt to a boil. Add a box of chow mein or spaghetti noodles to the pot and cook them until they are just a little chewier than you would like. Drain the noodles in a strainer and rinse them under cold, running water. Then transfer them to a large bowl. Add 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of cooking oil, and toss the noodles with a fork until they're evenly coated. Cover the bowl tightly with a lid or plastic wrap and chill it in the freezer for 30 to 40 minutes. Brown 2 cubed chicken breasts in a nonstick wok over high heat. Then add the chopped vegetables of your choice, such as carrots, bell peppers, onions, Chinese cabbage, and chili peppers. Pour in 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters of cooking oil, and stir the chicken and vegetables to coat them evenly. Add 1/4 teaspoon, 1.4 grams of salt, reduce the heat to medium, and stir the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the chilled noodles to the pan. Mix in another 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of cooking oil, then incorporate your favorite stir-fry sauce or make your own using chili sauce, soy sauce, white vinegar, MSG, and black pepper powder. Turn the heat up to high and stir the chow mein for 3 to 5 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are hot but crispy.